The newly matriculated students of Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University with the Igbariam and Oka campuses, respectively, have been enjoined to avoid distractions and may lead them away from the goal of their university education. The Vice-Chancellor of the University, Professor Greg Mwakubi, made the plea during the 24th matriculation ceremony held in all faculties of the university campuses. Emmanuel Chibata completes the report.
The Anambra Broadcasting Service, who captured the matriculation of the Faculty of Physical Sciences at the University Auditorium in Uli campus, saw the students dressed in varying colors of matriculation gowns, looking splendid as they sworn the oath of matriculation administered by the Dean of the Faculty, Professor Kingsley Nwozo. Amidst the event witnessed by parents, friends, and well-wishers, Professor Nwozo formally admitted them to the membership of the university after the heads of departments presented the students to him, while he implored them to live up to the expectation of the university as pledged in their matriculation vow. Immediately after the admission, sounds of claps rendered the atmosphere across all corners of the auditorium, with the students visibly excited and congratulating each other. In the Vice-Chancellor's address to the matriculated students through the Dean of the Faculty, Professor Nwozo, reminded them that their purpose in the university is to learn and graduate in the record time, hence to achieve the purpose through working hard and passing with good grades. Congratulating the students, the Vice-Chancellor warned them against indulging in cultism, examination malpractice, violent demonstration, as well as to avoid bad friends or companies, noting that it will ruin their career in the university and future.
And enjoin you to live up to the expectations of the university as pledged in your matriculation vow. Congratulations.
In a remark, Deputy Vice-Chancellor Academic Professor Osita Shayanam urged the students to be of good behavior, both in character and learning, shun indiscipline, as well as read and digest the students' handbook to get acquainted with the do's and don'ts of the university.
Know that we are not only training you in academics, we also monitor your character, because at the end of the day, the certificate we are going to give to you will be in learning and character.
Some of the new matriculants, Mr. Chukwuemeka of Computer Science Department, Ms. Sylvia Mbaka of Industrial Physics Department, and Mr. Somto Okeke of Geology Department, said they were very excited and pledged to study hard.
To do my best in my education, obviously, and to graduate the fine results and have a smooth year of study.
Emmanuel Chibata for ABS News.